with a winch. It's a 5,000 pound winch with synthetic cable, and it's pretty much all metal construction. So this is metal, it feels. This is alloy, I think. No, it might be just steel. It's all metal construction except for the little spool switch. Then we have your standard switch, which you can put on, or you can use the included one, which is, you got included a nice remote. Then we have a winch cradle which came with it, and you can pop your winch on that, put your bushing on there, and it fits into your bull bar machine, or you can use that to mount it where you're going to mount it. With the mechanical side, you also got your bolts, standard bolts for what you want, and then we move on to come with cables. So you get two sets of cables, which is wiring up the winch, and you get your standardized hook and a nice little hook tag. The winch quality is rather, I'd say it's about medium quality. Everything seems to be metal. The main thing that looks a bit is just the rope. Could be better, but that's about it. And this stuff's usually pretty expensive anyway, so for a reasonably priced winch, it's reasonably priced.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.